Hello everyone, welcome to Nando's cookbook. Today's recipe is street style egg bonda. Very tasty and preparation is simple. Let's start. In a mixing bowl, take half cup of besan. To that add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of salt or as needed, pinch of asafoetida, this is optional, quarter teaspoon of jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala. Add sufficient water and mix it into thick batter. The batter consistency should be thick pouring consistency. Add a pinch of baking soda. Mix it and keep it aside. Now take 4 hard boiled eggs. Cut it into half. Now drop an egg piece gently into the batter. Pour the batter on egg piece and drop it gently in hot oil. And cook it in medium flame. Flip it and cook both sides evenly. Cook it in medium flame till it turns crisp and golden brown. Once it is 80% cooked, adjust the flame to high and cook it for 1 minute and turn off the flame. The tasty and crispy egg bonda is ready to serve. Enjoy it with tea. Try out this yummy snack recipe. So friends, hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and